So this is Big, and I'm coming to you today from the back of the Avalanche at the Mississippi Ponderosa. And I told y'all I was going to bring you a video of a little tiller that we bought so we could till up some spots, maybe grow some different vegetables. I want to put some sunflower seeds down for the birds. Let me show y'all what I bought. Groundhog Max. Hopefully it's going to fit on the back of the buggy. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. I think it's open at the bottom.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh, you want a YouTube?
No, I don't. I just wanted to say hi. Hi, YouTube.
So let's see what we got in here. We got some cardboard and some plastic. We got some styrofoam. I'm so glad that it came already put together, that I didn't have to assemble all these little blades on here, because God only knows what that would entail. So let me finish getting this unboxed and I'll be with you in a second.
Yeah, do not peel out. Go. Yeah, that's all right.
So we got Cam and Remy putting some sunflower seeds and some wild bird seed down. We're going to see if it'll grow. And I'm going to run over it, I guess, smush it down with the side-by-side in a second. Well, I got everything disked up. I am really happy with, I don't know, $300, $350 worth of tilling on the back of my buggy versus buying, I don't know, a $20,000 tractor, because we don't have that much land. But we wanted to make a few little tiny food plots because we do have like 3 does that stay on the property. And we wanted to feed them through the summer. So I'm going to plant some corn right here. It's only about, I don't know, 50 feet, 50 square feet. It's small, but at least it's something, and it's a start. You know, maybe if they like it, we'll do some more stuff. I want to plant some turnips and some collard greens in here in the winter. I guess we're gonna have to put some kind of spray and kill the grass, because I didn't realize that when you spray the Roundup or whatever kind of weed killer you use, it just kills that grass. Then you till it up. I don't really know a whole lot about this stuff. I really wish y'all would comment in the comment section and let me know what to do, because I don't know. But I appreciate y'all. If y'all made it through this video, why don't you like it, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You watch us on the next video. Cam should be back. We might do some shooting. She wants to shoot some golf balls. I think she can shoot golf balls at 100 yards and just flip them over. So we're going to have the Black Widow back out, do a little shooting. We worked on this camp. We worked on the camp all weekend. Y'all will see a little short video on that next. So I appreciate y'all watching. Again, hit that notification bell. Y'all will see what's going on in the camp. The cabin, it ain't no tiny house. The thing's 70 feet long, so it's growing out of control. I appreciate y'all watching. Peace out.